Hi, welcome to my art studio. My name is Kai Weber. I am the art director at the Boys and Girls Club of San Francisco Tenderloin Clubhouse. And today I like to show you how to make a paper bird with accordion folds. It's a fun, pretty technique that makes the bird really look nice three-dimensional. You need about 3 or 4 colors. It's really up to you what's your choice today. I picked these colors because I thought they look really great together. You also need, of course, glue. You need scissors and you need a pencil. So the first thing is to do the outline of the bird. I will show you that with the blue paper. Then we're going to do the wings and the tail, and then we decorate all the little pieces, and at the end we will hang a string on it so we can hang it up if we like to do so. So enjoy the process and have fun. So I hope you enjoyed the time lapse. This is how the bird looks like. I think the colors go really well. It has a little string here to hang it up. And you see all these really nice accordion folds on the bird. All right, so now try out your own version of it and let me know how it went. All right, you guys have a good day. Bye.